How to rank on Google without using links. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at whether or not you can rank on Google without having backlinks. So let's get into it. Now, a simple solution to be able to rank without backlinks is domain rating. So domain rating is basically the combined effect of the entire website's backlinking. And if you have a high domain rating, then you will be able to rank on Google without having to build individual backlinks for each individual page. However, this can be a difficult method, but we're going to take a look at what the stats illustrate and what kind of keywords can we target to be able to rank on Google. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing that we're just going to do is we're going to open up Google and we're just going to search for something just to browse the backlinks and to see whether or not the top websites have backlinks or not. So over here, I'm just searching for jewelry for women, and now you guys can see I have this tool called Keywords Everywhere. You can go to your Chrome web store. So you can just go on to keywordseverywhere.com or just open up your Chrome web store and click on install for Chrome or install for Firefox, and your web store will be opened. You can just easily add this Chrome extension to your website browser, and then you can get started with me to browse your keywords and to browse the Google ranking. So this is a on-page SEO marketing extension where you can easily browse your competitors' SEO as well as optimize your own. So this is an amazing tool to use to get started. Now, the first thing we are going to do, you can see these are the top ads, so we're going to skip that. Below that, you see your top result, and what you're just going to do is you can see now I have this data over here, and I can just click on show backlinks, and there are no backlinks for the entire domain. Now, this could be for geographical reasons, this could be for other reasons as well. I can take a look at the other backlinks for the other websites. Now you can see this website has 2 backlinks. If I scroll down, this website has 1 backlink. If I go on Amazon, there are no backlinks specifically for this specific domain extension. But you can see that if I take a look at the top data over here, so on the bottom you have your backlinks that you can browse, but if you go on the top over here, so if you scroll on the top, you'll be able to see the organic traffic per month for a specific web page and for a specific URL. You can see that this web page is getting a lot of traffic, not the specific URL, but the entire web page, and it targets over 245 keywords. And another great way to monitor the domain rating, you can see over here at the bottom left, you have the DA, which is 28 by 100. This is 21 by 100. Now, depending on your location, Google will show you results that are going to be according to your location. So you can see over here, Amazon has a domain rating of 69 of 96. I'm sorry about that. But if you scroll down, you have Nordstrom. Nordstrom has a domain rating of 88. Then you have Fossil. They have a domain rating of 72. So you can see that it is going to be difficult for you to rank for a simple keyword like this one because domain ratings are spammed with super large corporate websites or corporate domains that are going to be very difficult to compete with. However, you can target a more niched keyword, and that is why keyword research is important, and that is why you should target a keyword where you can realistically reach the first page of Google. So for your keyword research, you need to make sure to assess the ranking difficulty. So that is the first step whenever you are going to target a keyword. Even if you're not going to use backlinks, you need to make sure that you're realistically targeting a keyword where you are able to monitor the number of referring domains, the authority of ranking domains that exist on the website, and the topical relevance of your top ranking domains that are on that specific keyword. So what I mean by this is, let's say I want to target the keyword long coats for women. So if I search for long coats for women, the thing that I'm looking for is, first off, as we discussed, is the number of referring domains. So you can see if I take a look at the backlinks for ASOS or Nordstrom, the specific link for long coats does not have a lot of backlinks. However, the domain rating is 88. Overall, the website of Nordstrom gets a lot of backlinks. So that is your first step. You analyze the number of referring domains and the authority of ranking domains. So As you can see over here, there are over 100K in referring domains. They have over 11 million backlinks and over 100K referring domains. And that means that you cannot realistically build 11 million backlinks unless you are Nordstrom or unless you are another large corporate company. That is why it is essential that you go ahead and pick out a more niched keyword. And when you're using keywords everywhere, you can see that once I search for a specific keyword, they are going to give me long tail keywords, as well as people also search for and related keywords. So I can go on ahead and pick a keyword from those similar results instead of targeting this one, where I can see that the top referring domains have a lot of backlinks. Their domain rating is super high, and it would be far too difficult for me to rank without backlinks onto their website or onto their specific keyword that they are targeting for. So you can see that these websites do not have any kind of backlinks. You only have like a couple of backlinks. You can see that Nordstrom has no backlinks, and if I scroll down over here, if I scroll down on Amazon, Amazon has no backlinks. If I go on to Amazon India, they also have no backlinks, but the domain authority is in the 90s or 88. So that is why their website is ranking so high, because overall their website has so many backlinks that they do not need to build backlinks for a individual web page that they have. Now, once you have assessed the difficulty of ranking, you can generate ideas using 1 to 2 seed keywords. As I said over here, long coats for women can serve as my seed keyword, and then from the right side of my screen, using keywords everywhere, I get suggested keywords, and I can go on ahead and check out the suggested keywords and browse them to develop my keyword. So I can find a lower competition keyword where I will be able to rank with a relatively weaker domain rating, because the keyword wouldn't be targeted by as many websites as a basic keyword would be. Then you also have to go on ahead and make sure you are choosing your niche. So let's say our niche is clothing and it's winter apparel, jackets and coats. So just use those keywords to generate more ideas. And then you can choose for long tail keywords, because those are often searched by people that are looking for items. And that could also help you in targeting a specific area of people that is left with unoptimized search results, because maybe if someone is searching for double-lined coat with a removable internal lining, that is a very long and super niche keyword. However, there must be a bunch of people searching for that are not getting optimized results. So make sure that you are targeting a more niche market if you are not able to build backlinks. So if you are wondering, can you rank on the top page of Google without building backlinks? Well, yes, you can. A lot of the top websites don't have backlinks for each individual page, but for that, you do need to build a higher domain rating and target more niched out keywords, so you will easily be able to get on the first page of Google. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.